Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you apply the white border effect in CapCut. So you are just going to add your video you like to edit to the right, and it's so super simple. We're just going to go to effect and select video effect, night clip, and you can find a white border. So this effect is awesome and you have to try. It's a back and add to the try for the duration and just for the option right here, and you can see for the final result. So this is the final back you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys, and forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for